What's up YouTube? This is Kyle Monger here and welcome to my channel, Crochet Island. As you could tell from the sound of my voice, I'm from the Caribbean, hailing from the beautiful island of St. Lucia. If you'd like to find out more about St. Lucia, what it looks like and different places and sites and whatever, you could head on over to Rep758 on Instagram. Check out the page. With that said, this is my very first crochet tutorial on this channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this foundation chain, which is the start for many of the upcoming crochet items I will be uploading here on this channel. So let's get started. What I'm going to be using in this tutorial is this 5mm crochet hook, this pair of scissors. This is my pair of scissors. You don't need anything this big or ugly looking, and this piece of worsted yarn. The first step in actually making your foundation chain begins with you making a slip knot. Let me get this out of the way. Now there are many ways that you could do a slip knot, but I have two ways which I prefer. This being the first way, where you take the crochet thread and you hold it here like this. You wrap it around your finger here and you make it do an X. You see the X here? You make it do an X here and you hold it to bring it around to hold it here. Then you take this piece and you shift it over like that, and then you pull. You could feel free to stop the video and rewind it, play it over and over until you get it. This you could also do it like this, where you put this over like this, then you twist it, then you bring this circular part here over here like this. You take it and bring it over here like this, and you take it and you bring it over here like this, and you pull. Having done your first chain, what you want to do is continue doing a couple others just to get the hang of it. Now in counting your chains, you never count this loop here as a chain, you count all those before it. So you count 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You don't count this one as a chain, it's just a loop as it is. When we do this, it becomes a chain. So now it's 5. Now to ensure that your loops are evenly tensioned as well as the chains, you want to slide it across the shaft here to ensure that it doesn't end up too tight or too slack. But however, if it still ends up too tight, you could just slide it across to ensure that it gets a little loose, or if it ends up too slack, you could tug on it from here, pull this, and it will allow it to get to the right tension. Now what I can tell you, in learning to crochet, it does take some time at first, but when you get the hang of the basics, it's easy from there. So don't try to figure it all out at once. All you need to do is start, do the thing, and the thing would become easy, because I didn't know at a point in time and now I do. So with that said, I hope you found the tutorial as helpful as I was trying to be, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. Like if you liked, dislike if you didn't, but be sure to subscribe to be part of this wonderful Crochet Island family. If you like the skit, you could also check out my Instagram page where I do comedy skits at Khalil_Mangru. Check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.